Naghahanap talaga ako.
Napunta pa sa Nevada.
Baka sobrang mahirap yan, ha?
Branches
Baka
lang
pang
naman.
Okay.
exam na yan.
Is the scientific study of living things.
Matter!
No!
Excuse me.
Living things?
Matter!
No! Biology. I know.
Ano?
Biology. I don't know. That's plants. Wait.
Nag-iisip
Study of living things?
Is the scientific study of living things. It covers a wide range of topics and fields of subdisciplines.
Living things.
Ewan ko, basta matter na lang.
No!
What's the matter?
What's the matter
What's
with
the
you?
matter with
What's
you?
the matter with you? That's not a
My
branch
answer
of
is
science,
doesn't
right?
Is
really
that
matter.
your answer?
It doesn't really matter.
What's the matter?
Matter is...
It doesn't really matter.
Wait,
What's your
nakaisip
answer?
na ako eh. Study of living things. What the heck?
Sige! Kaya mo yan! Kaya mo yan!
Stock knowledge.
Stock knowledge.
After many years, yung stock knowledge mo, lost mo.
Basta yung knowledge.
Literal.
Ay,
Literal.
basta kayo. Ayaw lumabas. Basta. Okay. Stuck? Na-stuck, na-stuck.
Walo na lang.
Sige.
Wait. Study of
Final
living
answer?
things. Study of living things.
Google.
Yes,
Google.
No,
Walang
hindi.
Google.
Sila na yung Google.
No
eh.
open notes.
Give me 3 minutes.
No.
Ano?
Anatomy.
No, anatomy is a...
Ano?
Medicine. Medical.
Hayop, sirit na.
Biology!
Ayun nga, biology.
Yun nga.
Tinatanong kita eh. Indefinite ka. Indefinite.
Oo.
Okay. Basta living things,
Oo.
it's biology. Anatomy is the body.
Pinalapan lang nila talaga ako.
Okay?
Nilito-lito pa ako.
Plants.
Char.
Wag na. Hindi ko na sasabihin. Kasi tatanungin ko yun eh. Okay.
Ang hirap naman.
Madali
Wala pa
to.
nga.
Is the study